Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we are making some delicious Rice Krispie treat. Yes. We are all looking forward to this. It's the holidays, so we're going to have a good time with this. Simple and easy recipe, guys. Simple and easy, perfect for the entire family. Before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, and also hit the bell so you can get your notifications. Okay, so here I am using the puff rice cereal, and I love this one. I use it a lot in a lot of my recipes. So, and this brand is the Arrowhead Mills, okay? I have my vegan marshmallows, and this one is from Trader Joe's, gluten-free and vegan, as you may see right here. Absolutely love it. So, and then I will also be using some butter. I am using 1/3 cups of butter, and this is the Earth Balance butter, and I'll also be using some vanilla as well. So let's go over to the stovetop and start to make this deliciousness. Let's go. We have our pan. It's on medium to low heat. I will add my butter. I will add my marshmallows. Okay. I'm also going to add some vanilla, and this is 1 teaspoon. It's completely optional. Okay, guys, so we have our marshmallows here. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our puff cereal. So melted. Let me get that, Eve. And you're gonna give it a nice mix around.
But don't put like too much of those.
Yeah.
Because or it'll just be like all of this and you won't taste the marshmallows.
Right. Alright. So we're going to mix this around. Now you can add sprinkles if you want to. It's pretty much up to you. You can make it your own, guys. We're here making this. Here, Eve. Take this and add some sprinkles.
Okay.
Go on. Alright. So you can make it your own, guys. Yeah. That's all you need, Ave?
Yep.
Alright, good job.
So just don't put too many sprinkles in there.
So Ava likes it, but she doesn't like it with a lot of sprinkles. So now, before it starts to harden up, let's go ahead and put it in our pan. And I'm going to line it because it's going to be easier for me to get the stuff out.
Well, that's a lot. Oh, don't get on my hands.
Watch your hand! No.
Can't do it anymore.
Okay, I put a little water in my hands. Hold this, Ave.
Okay.
And then
Can I eat this?
I'm gonna pat this out. Make sure you keep putting water in your hands so that it won't burn. You can use a spatula to spread it out, but I find that if I use my hands, it's easier. It is hot, but I'm dabbing my hands with cold water just so I can get it down. But you guys know I am a professional, so you use a spatula and you work this down. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't do it that way. I don't want you guys to get burned, okay?
Yeah, if it's like you're doing it again and you forgot to put the water in your hand, it's gonna hurt.
Right. Ave, how long do you think we should put this in the refrigerator for?
30 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. So I am going to put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, here it is, been in the refrigerator for 40 minutes, and you can just leave it like this, or I melted some chocolate.
But the chocolate's optional if you want to put it on.
Right, so I'm gonna try to drizzle this to make it look as good as possible.
Don't put like too much. Just put put it like on some of them. So if like someone doesn't like it on there, just put on some of them.
And you can just spread it out just like this. I'm not putting too much. I'm just drizzling some on top of it like that.
It doesn't have to look perfect.
Alright guys, so this is what we're doing here. We're pretty much done. Okay, my healthy people, so this is what it looks like. We sprinkled some chocolate over this, and I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator only because we sprinkled some chocolate on it, just for the chocolate to harden a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, here we have our Rice Krispie treats, and I am just going to cut these the best I can. You know what, maybe a knife will be better. Okay, my healthy people, this is all we have for Maxine's Corner. As you may see, I've cut them all up. It was a little bit of a work cutting them up, but nevertheless, they taste absolutely delicious. Make these for your family. They will love them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Give the video a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. And I'll see you guys next time. And say it with me. Stay healthy.